There's one more short concept that makes solving triangles a little easier. It's called the exterior angle theorem. And the exterior angle theorem says that an exterior angle, in our case 75, will always be equal to the sum of the non-adjacent angles. Remember, non-adjacent means away from. So 44 and 31 are angles that do not touch 75. They're non-adjacent. So if I add 31 plus 44, because they're non-adjacent, I'll notice that their total is 75, which is the same measurement as our exterior angle. This will always happen. So let's look at another example. In problem 1, we'll notice that, first of all, it's asking for angle LKX. So if you remember, when we name angles, all right, let's do some crayons today, okay? So K will be my vertex, so this is the middle, and I'm looking to connect L and X. So I'm looking for the angle that is between L and X. So if I go from L to X, I'm looking for this angle right here, right? It's the one between the two. So I'm looking for this exterior angle up here, right? So I need the non-adjacent angles. Well, this is adjacent. This one is next to it. So that's not the one we need. We want the two angles that are away from that angle. If we add those two, 91 plus 64, we'll figure out how big our exterior angle. Remember, this is not for interiors. We're solving the red, the outside here, okay? It's called the exterior angle theorem. So 91 plus 64 equals the outside angle, 155. So we can write that down. 155. It's kind of hard to write like this. Okay. That's the outside angle. If we wanted the inside angle, we'd have to go back to what we were doing before, where 91 plus 64 plus angle K equals 180. Okay? But when we're working with exterior angles, we can add these two together and figure out what our outside angle is. So let's look at another problem. We want angle between E and X. Okay, here's E, here's X. So I'm looking for this guy right here. That's an exterior angle. So remember, the clue to exterior angles is don't use this one. Use the two other angles. So I want 40 and 40. I add those two together. 40 plus 40 will equal my red angle because it's the outside angle. And 40 plus 40 is 80. So this red angle, XFE or EFX, this outside angle is the total of the non-adjacent angles. Let's look at one more. I want the angle between U and X. U and X, so the angle between them is right here. It's an exterior angle. So all I have to do is add up 110 and 33. That is 143. So please do not get this confused with finding the interior angle. Interior angle T, we would have to do what we did in the previous videos. 110 plus 33 plus T equals 180. We're concentrating on the exterior angle, so be very clear which angle they're asking you about.